right, team, move in slowly. Watch your footing on the ice.
Roger, we're checking the starboard side now.
Look at the stress fractures around the intake.
Some of the median around the intake. The ice buildup is severe.
Watch the pressure on that line. I'm losing visibility. Hold steady.
Control, this is Alpha Team. Supports are secure, ready for tension.
Roger that, Alpha. Beginning lift sequence.
All right, easy now. Set her down on the beams. Looks clear down here, boss. Steady on.
Look at the leading edge here. That pitting is significant.
Logging the depth now. The thermal reading confirms internal delamination near the rib. Okay, ease now, keep it level.
Copy that. Watching the rear stabilizer.
With intake panels removed, the MiG-31 intake tunnels are visible, showing corrosion, dirt, and debris. No cleaning yet.
See this hydraulic line. The rubber is completely cracked and stiff.
And the fittings are heavily oxidized. We should document this wear.
Check the torque on the main spar bolts now.
Running the sequence now.
The wing detachment was successful, right on schedule.
Check the hydraulic line pressure at that junction.
Reading stable at 500 psi, moving to 600.
Okay, easy tension on the cable. We have a slight sag coming up now. Clear on this side, keep lifting. Steady, steady. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Okay, take it right.
The MiG-31 right engine is disconnected and removed in the same controlled manner. The fuselage now sits empty at the rear.
That linkage joint seems stable, but I'm worried about the servo connection.
Agreed. We should run a full diagnostic on the hydraulics before reassembly.
Tail is completely clear of the fuselage. Begin traversing east.
Understood, moving east.
Freshly ground sections of the MiG-31 fuselage are cleaned using air blowers and solvents, revealing uneven, pitted metal beneath.
American engineers marked weakened structural zones on the MiG-31 fuselage, then cut out damaged metal panels using precision cutting tools.
In a nearby workshop, new replacement panels for the MiG-31 are fabricated from aircraft-grade metal. See.
Penetration looks good here, well within tolerance.
Noted. Uniformity is consistent across the section.
That bolt is finally loose. Heavy duty stuff.
Yeah, bring it here. We place it right next to the strut diagram. Well, there it is. Looks worse than we anticipated. Yeah, the corrosion on this turbine is extensive. We'll need a full replacement.
The restored MiG-31 wings, landing gear, and engines now sit separately, clean but unfinished, awaiting reassembly.
And engines now sit separately, clean but unfinished, awaiting reassembly.
Okay, bring it up slowly, watch the clearance. Go steady now. Hitting the torque wrench, hitting the torque wrench, secured. Hold it there, bring it down 5 centimeters. Steady, watching the clearance now, looks good.
The MiG-31 right wing is reattached using the same process. Control lines and hydraulic connections are reconnected.
The MiG-31, now with landing gear, engines, and wings reinstalled, stands fully supported on the hangar floor.
Okay, torque set.
Confirmed. Move to the starboard array.
Watch your clearance on the starboard side. Clear. Pins are secure. Final torque check complete. Easy now, watch the starboard mount.
Copy, bringing it down slowly.
We're clear on the cables.
Система запускается. Проверка параметров.
Все чисто. Давление в норме.
Initiating rudder sweep.
Rudder confirms smooth travel, cycling back to neutral.
Nice and slow now.
Looks like perfect adhesion, right on the mark. Grab the warning stencil next.
The consistency here seems flawless.
Yes, the curing process is stable.
All access panels on the MiG-31 are reopened briefly for final torque checks and then sealed permanently. Location?
Diagnostics complete. We are good to go.
Thermal gradient looks stable here.
Tire pressure is good. Brakes look solid.
Initiate final sequence.
Confirmed. MiG-31 cleared for takeoff.